nakakatamad yung panahon. Para akong hinahatak ng kama. Kasi gusto kong kumain ng champurrado.
Dito, mag-champurado tayo mamaya.
In the sweater, but I don't wanna make up listen. Baby, ayoko. Sana'y may mag-drop sa akin ng corgi. Kahit isang puwet lang, okay na yun sa akin.
Kayo na si Pabi.
Thank you, Big Mabia. Thank you, thank you sa corgi.
Ayaw matayo lang ako,
Mag-drop ng manigan sa akin. Kahit sa screen lang maulanan ng mani. Pero kung merong iba pang animated, tatanggapin ng maluwag sa kipit. Ah! Bakit? Oh. Oh, bakit? Masama ako man mag-live babang nagla-live. Naka-live daw ako. Ba't daw ako kumakanta? Eh, masama pala kumanta sa live.
Sino?
Si nanay. Ba't daw kumakanta ako kanya? Eh, naka-live ako. Bakit? Sama kumanta?
Ayaw ni nanay marinig boses niya.
Grabe siya. Sana'y may mag-drop ng galaxy sa akin. Yung palipad-lipad na bituin, akala mo ay buwan-buwan. Thank you for dropping. Ayaw niya akong pakampahin. How are you? I'm fine, Blackheart. How are you? Oh, it's been a while. Don't Tagalog me. I'm not speaking in Tagalog. Because I'm speaking in dollar.
Speaking.
Ayoko nga speaking in gusto ko eh. I can understand. Gusto di bili ka din Blackheart. Blackheart, thank you sa rose. Baka magpag-galaxy ka, nakakaya.
Ooh.
Ay, thank you Blackheart sa malaking puso. Kulay pink, parang puwet. Sayang mama. Anything to put smile on your face. Anything to put smile on your face. Anything flying. Flying in the big screen. Blackheart. If flying, little flying, I will smile like this. If a little bit big, like this. If bigger screen, practice. Thank you, Mali. No, tawanan, nagigigil ako sa inyo. Ayos-ayos ko nag-i-English dito. Kalma nyo. Wait lang. Bo. Ay, gagi. May na-detect na... Uy, may na-detect sa ano. May mumu. Sendan mo nga muna akong 200. Bayaran ko later.
Ako nga.
Please. Kailangan ko lang.
Ngayon na?
Oo. May babayaran lang ako.
Wait lang.
Bayaran ko na yung service ko kanina. Kulang eh.
Saan ko i-send?
Ha?
Saan ko i-send?
Sa, ano, 2.9 sa huli.
Wait lang, guys. Wait lang.
Thank you, Kat. Sin, thank you, and thank you, Ange. Thank you. Yo.
Okay.
Thank you. Babayaran ko later.
No need. $200 lang naman.
No, it's not 200 lang naman. It's your money.
I don't care if it's my money.
It's your money. I will pay.
I don't want you to solve it. Yeah, don't solve it.
I will solely it.
I'm not going to sumbat you because it's my
From your heart.
privilege to help you.
Yeah. Not to sumbat because you helped me without anything in return. Because you love me, right?
No, I just want a no top-up return.
Huh?
Just don't make top-up.
Okay, just don't make make moves to make me top up. Thank you for dropping, guys.
I just want you to be good.
Huh?
I just make sermon always because I'm a girl.
Don't sermon me always because I'm behave. No need
I'm
to
not
sermon.
good. You're so makulit.
I'm not makulit. You are the makulit because you always sermon me. Without my permission to sermon me.
Kailangan magpaalam. Sa sermonan muna kita.
I will cut that off you if you will sermon me always.
Just because of your one mistake, I will cut off you? No.
No, because of many mistakes. That's why I will cut off you.
No.
But I don't want to cut off because I'm not cutting off.
I'm not a cutter.
I'm not a cutter. I don't cut because I'm not a scissor. I never cut.
But you want scissor.
Oh yeah, I like that, huh? I like scissor. It's yummy.
No.
Oh, Tipan likes that. Tipan,
No, she likes Indian food.
ay, yes, she likes Indian seeds. A little, Gemini. No Indian chuchu. What do you want, Tipan? You like cat style? Cat style? Wala pa, uso ko lang. Or you want duck style? My wife knows how to duck style because she's a duck. Why your eyes is only 4, Ate Patty? Yes, my wife is doing a duck style because she's a duck, and the duck style is very yum yum. Thank you, Junelyn. Thank you for dropping, guys. Thank you for the love and support. Thank you for the heart, Yuri Kazuki. Thank you for the drop. Have you tried Cassie's gift from Japan? OMG, Ate Patty, it's the little one that
Not my
nginginig.
gift.
Oh, it's nice. It's vibrating.
Nani LV.
I
She
thought it's a
said
battery
she
because
likes
it's oblong.
mango.
Long
Oh,
oblong.
Nani LV, have you tried the nilagang mani? Because I heard it in your live. You said you like that. And also, nilagang hotdog.
Oh,
Yeah, she said
if you will boil the hot dog, it
it
will.
will ano
Feel like this or like this. Like this. Don't boil the hot dog,
nilagang
Nani.
hotdog is for Ate Gemma. Oh, it's for Ate Gemma.
Oh, you like peanut at Nanay Elby, ha? If you boil the hot dog, it will turn to egg. Matcha set.
No, it's not.
No, it will not turn to egg. It will turn to fetus.
No.
Why? Thank you, Hadi.
There's
Thank you
no
no... pagkain nyo dyan, Nay.
There's no
O,
what you
ba't mo
call
ako
this?
pinapakain? Ah,
Nilagang mani is Nanay LV.
Ah.
No, it's not. I heard Nanay LV that she
kinakausap niya
said
si Napay, bakit?
that alangan nilagang hotdog sabihin ko. She said that.
Ha? Bakit niya kinakausap yung pan?
The mani is masarap.
Pwede.
Yeah, the nilagang mani with the salt in. With the... Oh, salt lang naman nilalagay doon. Nilagang mani with salt.
Oh, what salt? Not salt.
Yeah, if you boiled it, right? You put the salt.
Yeah, put salt and some snowbird and pineapple juice.
No.
Asa na yan?
Asan ka na daw?
Nasa,
Lapit na. Dito sa didiretso. Paldo ko yan ah.
Broken to.
Uy, Ate Liz, thank you. Asan ka na daw, sabi ni mother.
nasa sopa nakabaon. Te, may malagkit tayong kanin. Ala, champurado.
Tatagal ka pa dyan. Yeah, no needs no bear.
Hello, John Escarion na Inge. Iihi lang ako.
Misteryoso.
Ay, pag sinasama ko kayo sa CR, dito lang muna kayo. O, dyan. Dito lang kayo, guys.
wait lang. Wow. Since yesterday, I'm craving for nilagang muli. Guys, last drop kasi aalis na din kami. People who have skin disease like me, you guys use this. It really works. And thanks to Ate Patty and Lola E for recommending this stuff. Ay, nakasimangot. Thank you, Ate Liz. Nakita. Hello, Shai. Elena, thank you. Always welcome, talent. Thank you so much. Secret. Thank you, Lena. Yes, live po. Oo, mag-e-end na rin ako last na to siguro. Yes, kasama siya. Susunod po siya kung saan kami pupunta. Thank you, Elena. Na, 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 na. Na, 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 na. Nandun po siya sa bahay nila. Before you end, Cassie, hello. Hello, Shamir. OMG, Daddy LV, are you serious? Is you premium? Can I borrow?
Tinapay lang ako saglit. Yan.
Can I borrow your...
Tinapay lang ako saglit, tapos alis na tayo. Hi, guys. Oh. Guys, ito.
Ganda nung ano nyo ngayon. Sarpay.
Kamangking!
Ano daw?
Ang ganda daw ng bar. Sige na nga, sabihin ko na yung sinabi ni nanay. Nakita niya kasi. Gandang-ganda si nanay
Okay
dun sa
lang
bar.
naman. Sinabi lang naman ni nanay maganda.
Kaya nga. Hindi kala ko may susunod pa siyang sasabihin eh. Kaya nagapan ko na eh. Kailangan inaagapan talaga pagka matatanda. Minsan kasi may kasunod yun eh.
Yung pagsayaw namin ni Lola, ako na ata.
Oh, iniisip daw niya yung pagsayaw daw nila ni Lola Bu kasi mag-intermission sila sa sa anniversary. Sasayaw Lola Bu at saka si nanay.
Lalo na si Yuri yung
Ah.
DJ nila.
Ha?
Si Yuri yun.
Si Yuri.
Oh, kita mo, sabi ko sa'yo, sabihin mo lang maganda yung bar, wala ka nang ibang sasabihin.
Sino pa?
Wala ka na ibang babanggitin na pangalan. Binanggit mo na lahat-lahat.
Imbas na lang pa.
Oh,
Yung
bakit di ka makaka-attend ng Ate Pati? Anong reason mo?
Buti nga, nagsasabi na hindi makaka-attend eh.
Ay, oo nga, no? Ay, ito na yung Sara natin. Goya. Yung Goya.
Matamis.
Bakit? Anong lasa na ito? Di ko makikita sayaw nila. Ate Pati, meron talagang video call. Meron ding video, sent video. Don't you worry. Hmm?
Thank you, Elena. Happy birthday, Shasha. Thank you for supporting and baby.
Ito naman masabi niya. Ito tingnan mo. Hindi ba? Pusit ka naman. Pilay ko na.
Thank you, Rochelle.
Eh kasi po to
Ano mo na ba? Nabigay mo na kila Ate Lady yung mga picture nila ng maliwanag?
Ano maliwanag? Alin yun?
yung
Sa-
picture na soft copy ng sa photobooth.
Ah, hindi mo pa sinend eh.
Ano mo lang? Tignan mo dun sa photo, yung
Eh,
picture.
session niya yan next year.
Tignan mo yung
Sa iyo, i-forward mo na lang. I-forward mo na lang kay Ate Lady. Sinend ko sa'yo.
tignan mo yung pangalan ng yung picture.
Yung photobot. Ano nga pangalan?
Tignan mo nga, hindi ko nga alam. Tignan mo nga.
pagagawa mo sa akin.
Wala nasa live.
Wow!
Wait,
Tayo mo lang i-tip. Oh, misteryoso! Narutibo! Diyos ko po, yung nanay mo talagang dire-diretso yung bunganga. Pag may tinanong, dire-diretso na yung tanong, asan yung ano ko? Asan yung ano ko? Diyos mío, Maribaro. Isanti Banyer. Tapos matampuhin pa eh. Diyos ko, Lord.
Sabi mo. Ito na, si
Dito.
Ano pangalan?
Kaya nga, basta may price.